Starting out as a mortgage broker can feel like stepping into a whirlwind. There's jargon, there's regulation, and there are a million processes that no one warns you about. But if you're new to the industry, this video is your straight talking guide to understanding the mortgage market without the fluff. So what exactly is the mortgage market? Well, let's cut through that noise. The mortgage market is the ecosystem where borrowers, lenders, intermediaries, that is what you are, and regulators, they all interact. And your job is to sit between the borrower and the lender. So matching the right person with the right product at the right time. Simple in theory, but very complex in execution. You're not just recommending a loan, you are building trust. You're navigating affordability assessments, you're overcoming credit quirks. You're also making sure it fits within the latest FCA rules. So let's cover now the types of lenders you'll work with. So there are three broad camps of lenders. The first one is high street banks. These are big names like Halifax, Barclays, NatWest. They're great for vanilla cases, not really great for flexibility. You've got building societies as well. So think Coventry, often a bit more flexible with underwriting, but there's slower turnaround times. And then you have specialist lenders. They are the go-to for self-employed clients, complex credit histories, or quirky property types. The rates are going to be higher usually, but so is the service. Each lender has its own quirks. It has its own niches and its own appetite for risk. And knowing who likes what is half the battle as a broker. Now let's talk about understanding the mortgage types. Here's what your clients will expect you to explain clearly. Fixed rate mortgages, so that's the same rate for a set period of time. It's predictable, it's popular, especially in volatile markets. You have variable or tracker mortgages. So this moves with the Bank of England base rate and it's lower initial costs, but it does come with more risk. You've got offset mortgages. These are great for high net worth clients. It links savings to mortgage debt to reduce interest paid. You have interest only mortgages. These are pretty rare nowadays, but they are still used in buy to let and specialist lending. So how do brokers make money? You likely earn on a combination of things. You're going to have proc fees, which are paid by the lender per completion. You've got broker fees, which are paid by the client for your advice. The key with this is to be confident in your value. Clients aren't just paying for recommendation, they're paying for peace of mind. If you can't articulate your value, you'll always feel pressure to discount your fee. Now let's look at the regulatory landscape, what you must know about this. So the FCA, which is the Financial Conduct Authority, they set the rules. Your compliance responsibilities will include the following thing, which is treating customers fairly, which is TCF in the industry. So providing the compliant documentation, so the IDDs, the ESISs, the suitability letters, all of those things. Staying within the bounds of your permissions as well. So that's especially if you're a DA firm versus an AR. You don't need to be a legal expert, but you do need to know when to ask for compliance help, because it can be pretty hard. So what are current trends that are shaping the market right now? Well, right now, brokers are navigating rising interest rates, so clients are panicked, and your role with that is to calm them, explain and reassure them. You've also got affordability challenges. The cost of living squeeze is impacting lender appetite, and that's causing a bit of a problem. We have tech integration as well. So from sourcing systems to CRMs, systems are the secret weapon for high-performing brokers, and people who are adapting them are really seeing great results. So the real role of a mortgage broker is that you're not just arranging debt. You're actually helping someone secure a home. That's a massive responsibility. It requires patience, communication, and the ability to educate clients, often at pace. The best brokers aren't technically good, they're just emotionally intelligent and ruthlessly consistent. So if you are new to brokering, remember you won't learn it all in a week. But if you stay curious, you get support, and you focus on providing real value, you'll not just survive in this industry, I promise you're going to thrive. Now, if you want to break down on how to build a successful mortgage career, check out my deep dive masterclass on screen right now, where I break down everything you need to know to do just that. Give it a click.